Hello, welcome back. This is a vocabulary. Fruit 5. 水果5. And this is going to be the last part for the fruit. The first one, watermelon. 西瓜西一西歌舞啊瓜西瓜 Here, 西 means the direction, west. Gua is melon. So the reason we call it 西瓜 because actually in China we don't originally have this plant. It actually transferred from the Western country. So we call it 西瓜 from Western country. Next one, melon. These different kind of sweet ones, these melons, all called 甜瓜 in Chinese. 特一安甜歌舞啊瓜 甜 means sweet. Gua is melon. All of these are melon, or 甜瓜. They may put some other word in front of 甜瓜to name the different things. 甜瓜. Next one, papaya. We call 番木瓜. 福安番木物木歌舞啊瓜番木瓜. This bracket means you don't necessarily say this. Usually when you go to the market, the name of this papaya is mu gua. Again, fan means foreign country, west country. Mu means wood, tree. We learned this in the other videos. Gua is melon. Fan mu gua. The next one is sugar cane. Usually the sugar cane is used for produce the sugar. Also, Chinese use it as a kind of fruit. You will see them in the supermarket or street market. Usually in the supermarket, they cut it a little bit shorter and pack them in the boxes. However, if you go to the street market, most of people just sell the very long stick. So you will know if you see them, this is supposed to be a kind of fruit. You break the skin of it and chew the things in the middle. Sugar cane. 甘蔗 ge an gan zhi zhe gan zhe. Here gan also means sweet. In the previous slide, 甜 is sweet. It's the same. Here is gan means sweet too. 甘蔗. Next one is mangosteen. It named Shangju. 是安山之无竹. The pronunciation of these two a little bit hard. You have to curve your tongue. 是 zhi. So your tongue actually curve. Tip of your tongue go to the bottom of your mouth. 山竹. The meaning of shan is mountain or hill. Zhu actually means bamboo. The two characters together means this fruit. It's supposed to be very nutritional, good fruit. Shangju. Okay, see, this is the plant, the tree for the fruit Shangju. This is how it looks like. This is the last video for fruit. Of course, there are more fruits that I didn't introduce. Probably you are going to learn it slowly in the future. We may introduce it in a conversation or somewhere else when we meet this word. Thank you for watching. See you. 再见.